Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. This is a quick video we're just going to do just for a few minutes. This is mainly about, many of you will have heard about the new scheme to be sending certain people to Rwanda from the UK, people without status in the UK. And we know that so many people are concerned about that or have worries about that. So we're just going to do a quick video and explain some of the things and clear some misconceptions people have about that. So firstly, the thing to say is that this only applies obviously to refugees or asylum seekers. Secondly, the most important thing to remember that it only applies to people who are coming to the UK now or who have come recently in the past few months. So only those who have come at the earliest this year, so January 2022, anyone who came after that might be eligible for that, but otherwise it does not apply to anyone who has been here longer than that. So that's the most important thing. I think people who have been here longer than that, who are in the UK before this year, some of them are worried or concerned about that as well, that in case they apply, will they make contact with the Home Office or just generally that they might be sent to Rwanda. So that is not the case. Clearly the rules say, the law says, the Home Office policy is people at least who've arrived in the UK this year might be eligible for that. Secondly, obviously it doesn't matter, if you're making a human rights application, you're making any other applications, family-based, spouse application, anything else, or for some reason you've become an overstayer or there's any other breach in your conditions, that doesn't apply to you. It only applies to asylum seekers or refugees who have arrived in the UK through what the government calls unlawful means. So especially, for instance, they talk about people who have come on small boats across the channel from France. So only people in those categories are really going to be affected by this. So the other people shouldn't really worry. If you want to make an application, if you're in the UK, you really should. You should consult someone, go and see a lawyer, see what categories you can apply under. But unless you've entered the UK very recently in the past 4 or 5 months, and you entered the UK illegally and now you're claiming asylum, only in that case can you be considered to be sent to Rwanda. Otherwise, this policy does not apply to you. So I hope that clarifies doubts or misconceptions or fears that so many people had. Feel free to contact us further if you have any queries about that. Obviously, you have our details, so just get in touch and we can see how we can help you if you're looking to apply under any other category. Thank you.
Perfect.